Got wood shavings in my eye. Dang it. Hey guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener. Today we're just going to do a quick project on how to build a stand for grow lights. Now every year I see people using grow lights to get their spring garden off to a nice head start, and I want to try it too. However, I'm a little too cheap to fork out the money for those expensive grow lights. I did find a 3-foot LED light at Home Depot for $15. It's 4K, which I'm not 100% sure what all that means, but I figured, with the scrap wood I've got laying around, $15 isn't bad to try and experiment, and if it doesn't work, I have a new shop light. Now these holes that I'm drilling are 1.5 inches apart. This is an old shelf that I had laying around that I'm using as the top. And here you just use the peg system to raise and lower the light as needed. It's pretty cool. I like it because it's practical, it's functional, and it's just really easy. Well guys, there you go. I'm using leftover 2x4s that I had from other projects. I'm using an old shelf that I had, and I picked up a light at Home Depot for $15. And I made a grow light stand out of it. Now, I did not come up with this all by myself, I can promise you that. I was looking around on YouTube for some ideas, and I actually got this idea from EdensGardenShed. He's got a DIY light stand made out of 2x4s video that I'll post a link below. I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out.